Hey, Steve Jolly with the Home Buying Skills Channel. Today's show will be discussing everything you need to know about home loans. And we'll be using some excellent resources from Bigger Pockets and The Ascent by Motley Fool so you can trust that you're getting accurate and reliable information. Ready to get started? Let's get to business. This is your intro to home loans. Now, whether you're a first-time home buyer or a seasoned seller, navigating home loans can be confusing, partially because they change all the time. But don't worry, we're here to break it all down for you. And in a nutshell, a home loan or a mortgage is a loan used to purchase or refinance a property. And as a home buyer, you'll likely need to secure a mortgage to finance your new home, while as a seller, you're understanding the mortgage process can help you close deals more effectively. Let's talk a little bit about the types of home loans. There are several types of home loans available, and each with its own unique features and benefits. And let's explore the most common ones. Conventional loans. These are the most common type of mortgage and are offered by private lenders like banks and credit unions. And they typically require a 20% down payment, but they have options with as little as 3% down that are also available. Good credit scores are usually necessary to qualify for favorable interest rates with a conventional loan. Now, FHA loans are insured by the Federal Housing Administration, making them an attractive option for first-time home buyers or those with less than perfect credit. Now, they offer a lower down payment option, typically around 3.5%, and have more lenient credit requirements. VA loans. If you're a veteran, active duty service member, or eligible surviving spouse, you may qualify for a VA loan, and these loans are backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs and offer benefits like no down payment, no private mortgage insurance, and competitive interest rates. USDA loans are aimed at promoting home ownership in rural areas, and these loans are backed by the United States Department of Agriculture. They offer 100% financing, means you don't need a down payment, and you have a lower interest rate than a conventional loan. Now let's talk a little bit about mortgage rates and terms. And when choosing a mortgage, you'll also need to consider the interest rate, the term length, and the costs. Interest rates can either be fixed or adjustable, while term lengths typically range from 10 to 30 years. Fixed rate mortgages have an interest rate that remains the same throughout the life of the loan, which means your monthly payment won't change, other than taxes and insurance. Adjustable rate mortgages, on the other hand, have interest rates that can fluctuate based on market conditions. And ARMs can be a good option if you plan to sell or refinance in a few years, but they can also be risky if rates rise significantly. As for the term, a shorter term means higher monthly payments, but less interest paid over the life of the loan. And a longer term results in lower monthly payments, but more interest paid over the life of the loan. So carefully consider your financial situation and goals before deciding on a term length. Pre-approval and shopping for a mortgage. Now, before you start house hunting, it's essential to get pre-approved for a mortgage. A pre-approval is a lender's commitment to lend you a specific amount of money based on your creditworthiness and financial situation. This not only gives you a better idea of your budget, but also shows sellers that you're a serious and qualified buyer. And when shopping for a mortgage, it's crucial to compare offers from multiple lenders. And this can help you find the best interest rate and terms for your situation. Be sure to compare not only the interest rate, but also the fees, points, and other loan terms. A good rule of thumb is to get quotes from at least 3 different lenders and look at their loan estimates to compare them to each other. The application process. Once you've found a home and are ready to move forever, it's time for you to apply for a mortgage. The application process involves the following steps. First, you're going to complete the application, and this includes providing personal information, employment history, tax information, details about the property you're looking to buy. You'll be required to provide documentation like pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, credit card statements to verify your income, assets, and debts. An appraisal will be ordered to determine the property's value, ensure it's worth the loan amount that you're requesting. Now, the lender's underwriter is going to review your application, documentation, appraisal to determine if you meet the loan criteria. They may ask for additional information or clarification during this process, and in fact, they will. Finally, we get to the approval and closing. If everything checks out, you'll receive a final approval and a clear to close to move on to the closing process. And at the closing, you'll sign a stack of loan documents and officially become a homeowner. Now, here's some tips for home sellers. For those of you looking to sell your property, understanding the mortgage process can help you better navigate the real estate market. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Be patient. The mortgage process can take 30 to 45 days or more, so be prepared for some waiting time between accepting the offer and closing the deal. Stay informed. Keep in touch with the buyer's agent and the lender to stay updated on the progress of the buyer's loan application. Make your home attractive to buyers. Keep your home in good condition and considering making updates or repairs that could increase its value. This can attract buyers who are pre-approved for higher loan amounts. And be flexible with closing dates. If a buyer needs more time to secure financing or finalize the mortgage process, being flexible with the closing date can help you avoid losing a potential sale. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to home loans for both buyers and sellers. We hope this information has been helpful and made the world of mortgages a little less confusing. Remember, understanding the home loan process is key to making informed decisions and achieving your real estate goals. So go out there, get pre-approved, and find the perfect home or buyer for you. Thank you for watching this video on the home loan process. If you liked it, hit the like button so we know you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll answer each and every one of them. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll never miss another episode. Take care and have a great day.